G'day, here's a big pieces of Lightning Ridge Opal material, closer to seam material in most of the cases, but they are big pieces, and we've just put all the bigger pieces together into this parcel. The rule's in millimetres, the material's been wetted, and just show you a few of the sizes there. Give you an idea. 30-40 millimetres long. Smaller pieces are 20. Anyway, I'll put the rule back there and I'll zoom in so you get a better closer look. Okay, I haven't moved the rule. This is, pieces are still in the same spot as when I held the rule over them. This is below the rule. I'll just move it down so you get a bit more of a look. A few of these have got good potential, I think. Varies in the backing potch from very black to lighter grey material. And I'll quickly go through some of them. Something like that, you need the saw to cut it through. That doesn't look like it's got a lot of colour in it, that piece, but it's the good and the bad, these sort of deals. It's a dark blue coming through there, wherever it goes in. So with something like that, get the saw, slice it, go another 5-10 mil. And each time cut it and have a look and see what you've exposed. These larger pieces don't look like they've got a lot of colour. There's a bit of a colour bar there on the top of that. Bit of green showing here, but it's pale. Bit more colour showing around here as well, over here. Doesn't look like it's all one line though. There's a bit of stone on the end there. There's a colour bar there on dead black potch. There's a wisp of pink showing just here perhaps. Possibly a nice little stone in there. I think you'll find that'll be a little bit mixed up. You can see the colours being mixed with the potch there. Again, it looks like there's a line through here of colour. Dark blacky blues. Colour poking out the top there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Took a little while to get through those. Cheers.